అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు ప్రోగ్రామ్కి మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ సపోర్టర్ పార్ట్నర్ మోతీలాల్ జైన్ గారు, డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ నమిశ్రీ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రాణిగంజ్, హిస్ son Sushil Kumar Jain garu, director. Just now I was telling senior Mr. Jain that he has resemblance with a famous chess player, world champion Garry Kasparov. So I have been a great fan of Garry Kasparov, that's why I am saying this. I consider him to be one of the all-time great player. All my colleague officers, Additional CP Traffic Vijay Kumar garu, Additional CP CAR Headquarter Vikram Man garu, Joint CP Central Zone Vishnu Prasad garu, Joint CP East Zone Ramesh Reddy garu, Joint CP West Zone Srinivas garu, DCP South Bhupal garu, DCP Traffic Chauhan garu, all CSW officers, andarki congratulations. Ee manchi occasion lo ee roju inauguration jarigindi, and apart from DCP North, who has played a very key role, I would also place on record the excellent work done by CSW Krishna Reddy garu. So he has really taken a lot of pain, and because of he has told me, he had given me commitment April 4 months back, April May lo he had given commitment that as a reward to his lottery which he got by the government. Avunu kada eppudu ochindi lottery meeku April lo. So April lottery ki reward lo he will do this work. That is what he had said. So నాకు చాలా సంతోషం. ఈ ఒకేజన్ లో ఫ్యూ సజెషన్స్, బికాజ్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ CSW లో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు కమ్, సో సమ్ డిస్కషన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ 2 minutes. మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అంటే మ్యాన్ పవర్, హెచ్ఆర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ థింగ్. ఇట్స్ ఎ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. మన ఏం ప్లానింగ్ ఉంది, ఏం లీడర్షిప్ ఉంది, ఏం స్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అన్నికి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ కనపడుతుంది. మీ ఎంత స్మూత్గా మీ వర్క్ జరుగుతుంది. ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తున్నాము. సపోజ్ ఒక లైక్ ఇప్పుడే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో బోర్డులో ఒక ధర్నా జరుగుతుంది NSUIకి. సో సెంట్రల్ జోన్ డీసీపీ గారు, జాయింట్ సిపి గారు మానిటర్ చేస్తున్నారు వైర్లెస్లో, ఇదిలో ఎట్లా జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్ వేణుగోపాల్ అందరూ ఉన్నారు. దే ఆర్ మేనేజింగ్ ఇట్ వెల్. నౌ there is one index, litmus test, how to see whether everything is run on a professional scale or not. Idiki, as a supervisory officer, how will you rate that whatever work you are doing is being done in the best possible way? Idiki oka మీ అందరు ఆలోచించండి, and keep it in your mind for your ready reference. You can apply this formula anywhere. That how smoothly it is happening. How smoothly. Now what is the definition of smoothly? Suppose you have to pick up 10 people and shift them to DTC bus, Eicher bus, and then take them to some area. So if you are a very trained force, without any hangama, without anything, just 4% will go, lift 1 person, shift there. Whatever shouting he is doing, the agitator is shouting. But within police department, there should not be much hangama, because the drill is known to all. It should be as smooth as possible, without any covert and visible instruction. That is the most important thing. Idilo background lo emavtundi, mana local anxiety level minimum ga undali. Then only you are a pure professional officer. First time if anybody goes and handle a crowd, he will have lot of anxiety inside. But same police officer, if he has done 100 bandobast, then that anxiety level will be down. Nen chusam kada, intak mundu kuda chala chusamu. So that anxiety level has to be bare minimum in case you are a good police officer. Everything applies to animals also, in more than 100 degree, because you and I can fake. I may be nervous inside, but I can fake outside. I will not pretend that I am nervous. I can be very quiet. But animal lo lev. Animal will not hide their anxiety. Whether it is a dog squad, whether it is a mounted unit. If they are having anxiety, it will immediately come out. Like you see, when I asked them to bring here, first 5 minutes all were not calm. They were all like, what is happening, looking here and there. So now you see they have become calm. So anxiety level has come down. Professional duty can only happen if the anxiety level is 0. If the anxiety level is high, then neither human being can perform well nor animals can perform well. Most of the accident with mounted police happens throughout the world only because of this, that the anxiety level of the animal, the rider is not able to calm down, and that is why he will kick, he will run away, or he will throw you off the ground. In dogs also it will be the same thing. If his anxiety level is high, he will not perform well. Now how to do this? In academy, those of you who have done horse riding, the instructor used to give one training that when you are giving a command for a horse to turn left or to turn right or to start from walk to trot or to go from trot to canter or to go from canter to gallop and slow down, all your aid, all your signal, because most of these word of command started from the Mughal time, so lot of Urdu word is there in that throughout the India. For all training of animals, whether it is training of elephant, whether it is training of horses, lot of Urdu word is there. So this Akbar Ustad, who was there at the police academy, he taught us, he used to say, ना मालूम रास का इशारा बाएं की तरफ. ना मालूम matlab it should not be seen or noticed or witnessed by anyone else. Only the horse and you should know that yes, there is a slight signal given, I should turn left. If your signal is loud and seen by everyone, in the test marks will be deducted. That is why it is called na malum. Matlab, nobody should know. Malum kisi ko nahi hona that you have given some signal. From your heel, you are giving some signal to the horse. If you are drumming it like that, that means you are not a good rider. It should be again na malum. It should be as secret as possible. That applies to everything. Whether it is a dog kennel, whether it is mounted unit, whether it is human being, if you have to tell somebody, including your son, to do something, hey, jaldi karo aise, that means there is lack of communication, lack of rapport. Even to your son, when you are saying, you should say politely, gently, softly, and he should obey. Is it not? This is very, very important. And like I noticed one or two people here, the handler wants the dog to see this side, front. Okay, fine, there is a command for that. Now dog is not seeing the front side, he is seeing this side. Then there are 2-3 ways of correcting it. One is, jor se jhatka dega. That is not correct. That means you are rude to your dog. Just like I am telling you, there is a B.Tech degree in an engineering college in Nirmal also. And there is a B.Tech degree at MIT also. Are they the same degree? Is the quality same? It is not the same. Why? That involvement. First time I saw American Dog Squad unit in 2006-07. जब American President Bush यहाँ आए और ISB में I was overall in charge of the security there. और फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया में इंडियन पुलिस डॉग स्क्वाड में देखी एक नया ब्रीड जो कि अब बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया, अपने पास शायद नहीं है, बेल्जियम मैलोनॉय. इधर ले कदा हाँ, सो बेल्जियम मैलोनॉय उसी समय फर्स्ट टाइम देखे. और
2 in training sir,
है अपने पास
2 आएंगे.
एनीवे ऑल ब्रीड्स आर सेम एज फार एज माई नॉलेज इज कंसर्न, बट ठीक है अपना अपना पसंद. तो बेल्जियम मैलोनॉय डॉग लाए वो लोग, एंटायर करीब 20 दिन उनके साथ हम लोग थे. तो आई होल डे केवल यही हम ऑब्जर्व करते थे, हाउ दे आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग, इंक्लूडिंग देयर सीनियर ऑफिसर्स, मिडिल लेवल ऑफिसर्स and ground level officers. Same with dog squad also. Number 1, whatever training for correction has to be done, that has to be done during training period. Training period में आपको जो बताए हुए तरीके हैं किताब से, इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल से, आप करिए. But when you are on duty, here you should not start training them. ड्यूटी जब ड्यूटी है तो ड्यूटी है, वहां पे आप ट्रेनिंग कीजिएगा तो then your and your animal's mind will be different. Here you are right or wrong, इट इज लाइक क्रिकेट मैच, और जब आप खेल रहे हैं ट्रेनिंग आपको जो करना पहले कर लीजिए, एक बार पिच पे चले गए तो आपको बैटिंग करना, फिर वहां पे अगर कोच आके आपको बता रहा अरे तुम ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं जी, ऐसे नहीं करो ऐसे करो, फिर मैच नहीं खेल सकते आप। वहां पे आपको जो भी है आपको यू हैव टू परफॉर्म, राइट और रॉन्ग जो भी है, रॉन्ग करे बाद में उसको आप ट्रेनिंग क्लास में कंप्लीट करिए, इंप्रूव करिए। सो हियर आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, और अभी आ रही कौन देख रहे हैं डॉग स्क्वाड के, जल्दी आप ट्रेनिंग दे सकते। आपका वर्ड ऑफ कमांड बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट होना, अगर डांट करके गुस्सा करके आप कमांड दे रहे हैं इसका मतलब आपका ट्रेनिंग बेकार है। अंदर की అర్థమవుతుందా? మీ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ కమాండ్ జెంటిల్ గా ఉండాలి, లౌడ్ గా కాదు. జెంటిల్ కమాండ్ కెన్ ఆల్సో బి ఫర్మ్. జెంటిల్, ఫర్మ్ అండ్ లౌడ్ ఇదిలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది, అవును కదా? సిట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఎ ఫర్మ్ కమాండ్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జెంటిల్, it is not loud. Sit, this is bad. So there is lot of things, and all these things will only happen with more and more, the more time you spend with your dog. If you think that with morning 1 hour class undi, 1 hour tarvata nen bayitke veltamu, it will not happen. It will not happen. If you see dog training, there are thousands videos on YouTube, and how good training is there. Excellent video. I don't know, మీ అందరు చూసారు, అన్ని ఇంటర్నెట్ ఫ్రీగా ఉంది, there is no cost. మన present generation, we are so lucky that everything is available on internet. You have to just see. Whatever the dog handler is doing, the dog is doing. Without any word of command, just by sign. That is training. That is training. The moment you are using force, the moment you are asking them to sit by your, pushing him down, that means training is not good. Okay? ఇక్కడ చాలా బ్యాడ్ హిస్టరీ ఉంది మన దగ్గర, తెలుసు కదా? బ్యాడ్ హిస్టరీ ఉందా లేదా? ఇట్ ఈస్ వర్స్ దెన్ 307. వర్స్ దెన్ 307. whoever has done that. సో ఇది చాలా సెన్సిటివ్ ఇష్యూ ఉంది, మన ప్రొఫెషనలిజం అండ్ మన హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్. మీరు రైట్, ఓకే దెన్. సో I congratulate each one of you for this wonderful facility. One more suggestion, I will request Krishna Reddy and Sailesh, put some more plantation. Summer time though it will become very hot. Despite all the arrangement, it will become very hot. Now only you put some more trees so that creepers or something should go up, and by the time
ఈ వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం DTV న్యూస్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.
DTV ఒక నూతనమైన ఛానల్, ప్రజల మధ్యలోకి వచ్చే ఛానల్, వాస్తవాలు తెలిపే ఛానల్. మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఇవాళ జరుగుతున్న ప్రతి ఒక్క అంశాన్ని మీరు నిజాలు తెలుసుకోవాలంటే డీప్ ఛానల్కు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ న్యూస్ అన్నిటిని కూడా, వాస్తవాలన్నిటిని కూడా మీరందరూ చూడగలుగుతారు. ధన్యవాదములు.